Who else has been curious about the Ponyo? I sure have. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney and I enjoy using tips and tricks from the Curly Girl method to improve the health of my hair. I really like talking all things healthy hair, and one thing that really helps your hair be healthier is having a good exercise routine. And by having a good healthy workout routine, what I'm meaning is that when you're healthy on the inside, your hair will then grow healthier on the outside. That's what I meant by having a healthy workout routine. Now, some of y'all who've been hanging out with me for a while will know that I really enjoy running. It is one of those exercises that helps clear my head. I have been doing it for well over a year at this point. And during this very strange time in history, it is now the workout of choice amongst many people because all the gyms are closed. I cannot tell you how many people I have started seeing running in my neighborhood lately. So that's cool. With all of that happening, if you are trying to do the Curly Girl method, you know that using those regular old hair ties, even the ones that don't have the metal connector casing part in them, just the regular old stretchy metalless hair ties, you're ripping out hair every time you put one in and take it out. For the longest time, I used those and I just believed it was normal for me to have to rip out my hair every time I put one in and took it out. And when I started wearing my hair wavy curly, that got even worse because pieces of hair would wrap even more around the hair tie. So my favorite alternative has been the Invisibobbles. I know they're a little bit pricey. You get 3 of them for over $7, but I have been using my set of 3 Invisibobble Powers for over a year. Yes, they've stretched out some, but they still work beautifully. They don't rip out my hair. However, I have found that those Invisibobble Powers don't stay in my hair when I go for a good, fast, long run. They just slip right out. In fact, I have gone for a run with an Invisibobble in my hair and lost it halfway in the run and couldn't find it and had to run home with my hair flowing in the breeze. Yes, that was a very tangled, matted mess when I got home. I know some people can run with their hair down and it works for them. I'm not one of those people. Then I stumbled across the Lily Silk Scrunchies. These are now my go-to. I really enjoy these for putting up my hair when I go for a run. They do slightly stretch out my hair on top and they leave the slightest little dent in my hair, but that is worth it to me when they're not just slipping straight out of my hair. Also, the silk in the scrunchie is not going to be damaging my hair, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to minimize damage everywhere you go. I'm not intentionally pulling back my hair very tight. I do pull it back securely. I hope that makes sense. I'm not scraping it back with a hairbrush and pulling it as tight as I can. So don't get the wrong impression. So thanks to Instagram ads, I know about the Ponyo. I think in the Instagram ad that I saw that scrolled by on my feed was of a girl doing a backflip with a regular hair tie and it like sliding out of her hair in one backflip, and then she does a backflip with the Ponyo in her hair and it doesn't come out. I think I've seen ads for people running in this thing. It's supposed to really help make your ponytail look thicker, so you put it in your hair like so, and it gives you this big, fat, juicy ponytail effect, but it's also supposed to be very secure and non-damaging because you just open it back up and slide it out of your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I figured out the best way to put this in my hair because there is a little bit of a learning curve. It's not like a traditional hair tie. You can't really like put it on your wrist and then pull it off. So the easiest way for me to make sure that I get this nice and tight and secure is to put it on upside down and to only use 2 fingers. So I don't try and put all my fingers in there. I just fit 1 or 2 in there. That works better. I gently gather all the hair on top of my head. I don't run my fingers through my hair. I just gently smooth and gather. I'm not too worried if it's not perfectly smooth. That doesn't bother me anymore. Then I take my 2 fingers and I wrap it all around my hair and gently pull everything through. Then for extra security, I just gently smooth the rest of the hair through. Then you smash it shut as tight as you can get it. Then you only fold one side over. Then you fold the other side over. And there you go. That is what it looks like in my hair. It's kind of cute, isn't it? And this is the brown color, I believe. Light brown or brown, I don't know. I'll have the exact one I got linked down below so you will know the color. But yeah, that is how I get this in my hair. So today we're going to be putting this to the test. I will be wearing this and going for a run and showing you exactly how this holds up in my hair. How amazing would it be if I found an alternative to my wonderful Lily Silk scrunchies that eliminated that stretched out root problem, that doesn't leave a dent in my hair and doesn't slip out of my hair. So, y'all ready? Let's go check it out. Well guys, I have no idea what happened to my outro, so I'm recording the outro on a different day. But as you can see from that very dramatic clip, the Ponyo did not even stay in my hair for 100 yards. Now, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. We did film that a bunch of times. My sweet husband was having so much fun playing with that drone, and I'm not gonna lie, that footage was really cool. But it did take a lot of tries to get that clip just right, and I can tell you that that Ponyo fell out of my hair every single time. Every single time. I had to stop and put that thing back in my hair before each time we tried to get those clips. I was definitely bummed out that that was the case. I was really hoping that that would be the new replacement for my Lily Silk scrunchies, but sadly, it just doesn't hold up in my hair. And I do think there's a couple of reasons for that. One, I have fairly dense hair. Even though my hair is pretty fine, I do have a lot of it. And it kind of has some weight. It kind of like swings a lot and, you know, like is pulling on that Ponyo with every step I take. And maybe I'm just a really sloppy, aggressive runner. Maybe I pound the ground really hard when I run, and that too kind of pulls the Ponyo out. Also, the Ponyo itself has some weight. It's not completely 100% lightweight, and so with each step, gravity is going to be pulling on it as well for my hair. And the last thing that I think is a contributing factor to it sliding out is that my hair is just really slippery. I tend to enjoy products that give my hair a little bit of grit, a little bit of hold, and yeah, that's because my hair is really slippery on its own. So for it to hold its shape, I need some grit in my hair. Funny story, I did actually have some products in my hair the day we filmed that didn't make my hair slippery. So my hair had product in it, and even still, my hair was still too slippery for the Ponyo. It just slid right out. So my final thoughts are that the Ponyo is really, really nice in that it does give you a big, fat, juicy looking ponytail. I did think that that was pretty cute if you are really looking for something to add fullness to your ponytail. But sadly for me, it did not do what it showed in the ads. The ads got me. The girl doing the backflip with the Ponyo in her hair and it not moving. That was not the case for me. It slips right out of my hair. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and share it. It really does help me out. And it lets me know that the video accomplished its purpose, which was to be helpful. Literally, the whole purpose of this channel is to be as helpful as humanly possible. So let me know if I was able to help you out. Also, if you're interested to see what I did to my hair today, because I think my hair looks really cute today, please go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. I do have lots of videos talking all about the curly girl method here on this channel. If you want to know what I did to my hair, stick around because I will tell you in a later video. Also, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have found a hair tie that actually stays in your hair while you're working out, because the Lily Silk scrunchies have been working for me. But like I said, they do kind of stretch out my roots and they do leave a slight dent in my hair. So if I could find a way to go running with my hair and it not be damaging to my hair and hold it back and not slip and fall down in my face, that would be great. All right, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!